How to loop YouTube videos on mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to loop YouTube videos on your mobile, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the YouTube app on my phone, and then I'm going to find a video to play. I'm going to play one of my own video for this tutorial, but this works with other videos as well, so don't worry. So this is the video I want to loop, and to do that I need to click on the video and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. After that I need to click where it says loop video. Mine is currently off as you can see, but now it turns on. I will now fast forward this video and demonstrate to you. As you can see, the video plays again when it ends, so this is exactly how to loop YouTube videos on your mobile. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.